For the past couple of years, I've been dreaming about camping at the specific boondocking spot in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I don't know much about this place other than it looks like a spot that could outshine any other camping spot I've ever camped at. I have my fingers crossed, everything goes good, and it's everything I thought it would be. Because it was sandy and we didn't know what to expect, we decided to get out of our truck and go scope it out. Okay, look at this spot we found. Tom's gonna go get the truck and the camper. Oh, I'm so excited. I can hardly stand it. Come on, Thor. Woohoo! Look at this amazing view. Here comes Tom, the camper. Uh-oh, why'd you stop? I thought something was wrong. It looks like everything's okay. We decided first, before we set up camp, we need to figure out how to get our camper turned around so that we know we can leave when we're ready to leave. And then we noticed right here is a turnaround. So Tom's gonna go turn around and then he should be able to pull right in here. Ooh, it's a tight fit between those trees. Oh my gosh. The places we've taken this camper. Oh. Ooh. I don't know if that's gonna be, he's not gonna be able to do that. There's just not enough clearance.
Oh no.
Okay, Tom said stay with the camper. He's gonna walk on down there to see if there's a wider turnaround spot for us. Well, what'd you find out?
Let's stay out of the soft stuff and get stuck.
Yeah, but is there another turnaround?
Nah, it's soft down there too, he said.
Okay, so we gotta figure out this.
Just watch me over here. I'm gonna try to back this thing up.
Oh my gosh.
What would be nice is if I could turn around. So tomorrow, whenever we gotta leave here and get out of here.
We're gonna have to keep backing up further, and hopefully there's enough space right here for us to turn around. What do you think, Thor? Can you do it? Okay, let's go. He's backing up. Come on.
So I'm gonna pull ahead a little bit, try to get over a little more.
Okay, you got a little bit of playroom here. Yeah, if you can back up there, this is gonna be a little bit wider turn. Okay, fingers crossed that this is enough space for him to turn us around. Shoot, this didn't work either. Was this a huge mistake to try to boondock here without researching ahead of time to make sure there was going to be a place for us to turn around? We had to find a way to get ourselves out of this mess. So we scouted the area a little bit more, and we did find another spot that we thought might give us a little bit more maneuverability. Crank it, if you can. Perfect, keep coming. Straighten it out. Yep, straighten out a little bit. Woohoo! Now that was a little stressful, but we did get it turned around. Thor, what do you got, buddy? It's a big deal that Thor is getting so comfortable with Tom. If you're new to the channel, Thor is a rescue puppy, and we've had him for 3.5 months, and for the first 3 months, he barked all the time at Tom. Come on, let's go. Thor. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on, up the hill. A buried long piece of driftwood. More buried driftwood. That's cool. Thor keeps wanting to go back by the water. You want me to come down there with you too? All right, let's go this way. Ah. Oh my gosh, the water does feel warmer than I thought it would. Look at that. Lake Superior! So beautiful. We don't know if you're a swimmer yet, Thor. Okay, Thor, we're gonna have to go up. Ready? Let's do it. Come on, buddy. Little trail back here. Let's see where it leads us. Aha. Oh, just a minute, you're stuck. Okay, let's go. You want to catch up to Tom, don't you? Yeah, I wonder if we should go that way. Whoa, 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 whoa. That kind of water. Look at that sand point over there. I hope we can get over there. Yep, I don't think we're gonna get over there from here. But how gorgeous is this? Wow. Oh my gosh, fish bones. There's our camper up there. We're back. Hey, buddy, you're so tuckered out. Aw, we had a really good day, didn't we? This is one of the coolest fishing tables I've ever seen. Catch us dinner, Tom. I do hear frogs over there. You just lost the lure and stuck on something? Oh no, Tom. Oh, it is stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay, well. You got loose? Yeehaw. You're always trying to eat dicks, aren't you? Oh, he got loose. Oh, he saw a squirrel. Yeah, look how dirty our tour's gotten. Oh my gosh, from all the sand and the wind. Hi, Thor. Oh my gosh. Hi, buddy. Hi. You got another stick. Okay. So odd that you got another stick there, Thor. I'm pinching myself for so many reasons. This has to be one of the most magical camping experiences I've ever had. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to experience even more exciting Upper Peninsula camping gems.